and pour sangria on some tits, ayy. Hey, coffee on my Jordans. Gravy so important. Pull up on your bitch like I'm Billy Bob Thornton. Ooh, yeah, I'm cruising in that foreign. That's the Honda Civic and it's got your bitch.
So we're using our new vlog camera, which is a Canon SX160 that we bought off of Craigslist for 80 bucks. And currently I'm on my way to my last day of high school. Well, not high school completely, but 11th grade. And I'll be officially a senior. So we're in the Civic. I need to go put gas. Like we are really out of gas here, as you can see. So we're gonna do a refill on some gas, and then we'll continue from there. Well, I'm officially a senior in high school. I'm done with all my classes. Somehow got an award through an award ceremony. Trained it all, my laptop, my ID. I'm good. We're going to put gas because, like I said earlier, as you guys see, we are running out of gas. It'll focus. It won't focus. Are you kidding me? Come on. Focus. There you go. You can see the gas light on. But we're going to go run put some gas. And then I have some things that I ordered from Wish. If you guys don't know what Wish is, it's simple apps like Amazon almost, but just a lot cheaper. I ordered some things for the Civic. It's for my engine bay. This is going to be tied into that video, so I'll be unboxing those whenever those come in, which should be in by the end of May, early June. So right now it's May 23rd when you guys are seeing this video, or I'm recording this. First time using this camera. I don't know if I'm going to post something before this. I probably will. But yeah, I'm going to go put some gas, and I'll see you guys whenever we're done. Yeah, so we're still filling up on gas. Hopefully 20 fills this thing up, which I think it will. Yeah, 20, we should be good. Forgot how much gas is here. I think it's like $2 a gallon, $2.50 maybe. It's not that expensive. Yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you guys once again. I don't know why I keep doing this, but I'm gonna get a thing out, and we'll see you guys in a couple seconds. I decided why not, since we have a new camera, why don't we look at the car through the new camera? And I really need to repaint these damn wheels, because it really picks up in this camera how fucked up these wheels are. But I'm just waiting for my mom to text me back. Exhaust coming soon, because that tip needs to go. Yeah, pretty much it.
She got ice and them jeans, no, I can't experiment. Your bitch breasty.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Obviously we're on a different camera now. For some reason my GoPro's dead and my Canon's dead, so we're back on the good old HP. But a lot of things are starting to come in for this car. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know I did just pick up a new sponsorship with Mishimoto, so look forward to stuff with them. And I also did pick up a DC Sports intake, which is on its way. Should be here probably the day after this vlog comes out. I ordered a new oil cap, and I actually ordered a radiator cap cover, but unfortunately that does not fit. But something did come in today to also help change the look of the Civic's engine bay. We picked up a Cusco, I guess that's how you say it, Cusco Racing battery tie down for the Civic. So let's replace the rusty metal one that's in here, which only has one hook. And I actually did I picked up 2 new hooks to mount this with. So I'm actually put you guys down so I can open this, and then I'll show you guys when I get it out. Okay, so this is the battery tie down. It comes with a sticker, which I'm probably gonna put on the side right there. But essentially, it goes from there to there. It's not that, you know, crazy to do, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna swap out this pole and we're gonna put in 2 new ones. So I'll get back to you guys when we're done with that. Comparison between the two. Here's the stock factory Honda one. Here's the Cusco or Cusco. We're gonna simply just slide it in here, or we might take this plastic sheet off, which I'm probably going to do. And yeah, once again, I had to mount this, and I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. Alright guys, well that's the finished product for this unboxing. Hopefully the next clip will be my short ram intake from DC Sports, or my sponsorship pack from Mishimoto. So I'll see you guys in the next clip, obviously. Alright guys, welcome back. We're doing a short Okay, now another one of our packages came in. Well, two of them did. One of them is already installed, so you guys will see that whenever I'm installing my intake. But we have a couple things going on. We have our Mishimoto sponsored swag bag, because hashtag Team Mishi. And I'm also putting in all the old car parts we take off in my headlight box. And we also have two 12-inch subs, which we probably won't use, because I really don't have room for two 12-inch subs. I might use one. But yeah, I already opened this the other day when it came in, so it's been open, as you obviously see. Now, I was expecting this from YouTube to be a lot bigger of a bag, but I guess it differs. It's different for different people. Because I know there's somewhere you get t-shirts and stuff. Unfortunately, I did not. I'm going to keep this bag just to have on the side. Here's my order slip, which you guys don't need to see. Here's a Team Mishimoto or Team Mishi packet, which I will be keeping. We have a letter from Mishimoto saying, "Greetings on behalf of everyone at Mishimoto. I'd like to thank you for choosing Mishimoto, and you're welcome to our Team Mishi program. We're excited to have you on board. In addition, exclusive discounts on our parts. The Team Mishi status means that you'll enjoy our benefits, including my car being shown on their website, promotion on their social media, being able to possibly put my car in one of their booths one day, and other stuff like that." So I'm gonna frame this letter, and then I accidentally bent one of these stickers somehow. It's two Mishimoto stickers. One's gonna go in the back window with the rest of my sponsors. And they sent us an air freshener, which smells very good, a lanyard, and a koozie. So yeah, that's what came in my Team Mishi, our Mishimoto sponsor pack. What is going on, guys? It's Lidsberry, and we're doing another unboxing in this one video. The one thing we've been all waiting for, our DC Sports short ram intake, finally came in. So let's get into this, unbox it, and show you guys what we got. We're just, not gently bring the box in here. Let's cut into this. Alright, so what comes in the box, exactly, here is the brushed aluminum actual pipe. Here's where our MAP sensor installs right here. This goes, so yeah, mounts like this. There's all our hoses and couplers. There's our filter. Some directions. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the box. Like I said, here's the pipe itself. There's our intake, which I'm using my older camera, so I can't really get good angles for this. Here goes the cone. It's like a aluminum cone that has DC Sports coupler. red and black. Matches the theme of my car. Some more couplers. A DC Sports sticker. Another coupler. Some rubber hosing. This is it's a sticker or a little plaque telling you this has been carb tested. There's the old plaque, I guess, to go on this, which is pretty cool. Little metal plate. Screws. More screws. And finally another hose. So, yeah, that's everything that comes in the DC Sports short ram intake for the 2007 Honda Civic. And next clip hopefully is us installing this and me showing you guys an update on the intake. Or not the intake, the engine bay of my car. Alright guys, the last package has finally come in, and I promise you, this is the last unboxing of this video. We have these, which you guys don't know of yet, unless you watch the other video, or I don't think I said it in any other clips. We have my intake. I also have my oil cap, my radiator cap, and a battery tie down, which are all installed already. And valve stem caps, if you want to count those two. Those are all already put on, and the Mishimoto swag pack that was unboxed. So this is the last one. You have a cameo from a Tess here. Back up. Move. So let's go ahead and open this. I can actually open this with one hand, I think. Not that big of a package. We're almost there. Alright. Now, the last package also is to finish dressing up the engine bay, which I'll be done with for a while now, are password JDM fender bolts. So here's the nuts / screws, whatever you want to call them, and then here's the password JDM. If it'll focus, the washers, red of course, and whenever we install the intake, we'll install these two, which will hopefully be in the next couple days. We also have tint coming, so that install will be its whole own video, because this has gone on too long. This has been like 5 days worth of recording. So once these both go on, or once the intake goes on, that'll all be one video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitch, and Twitter. All my links will be in the description below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. I'm out.